Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, good morning. Today, the sun is coming up again to greet us and to say that you are not alone. Okay? You are not alone. What a great day today. I always say that, you know, another day above ground is a great day. A day above ground is a great day. And what I want to say is, we live in a world of impermanence, right? Nothing is forever. And that's the beauty of life. Nothing lasts forever. Your suffering will come to an end. Your joy will come to an end. Your loved ones will come to an end. Everything as you know will come to an end one day. So what is the point of it all if it all comes to an end? We must ask ourselves these questions. Why are we here? What is the point of living in a world that's impermanent? That's fleeting. You're here and then you're gone. What was it? What was it all for? What was the whole point of it? You understand what I'm saying? And I'm thinking to myself, I ask myself these questions all the time. Because yes, I love my wife, yes, I love my kids, I love my family. But I know also that one day they all will leave me. Like I had a father that already left me. Now my mother is close to that age where she's also going to start departing from this earth. And I'm getting older. And I think to myself, I can look at this life in two ways. I can look at it as the glass half full or half empty. I can look at it as what time I have left, and I can still enjoy the moments of the day. Life is about moments, guys. Life is about experience. And that's why we have to renew our minds daily. We have to constantly make ourselves mindful that this life is a blessing. This life is a gift. And if you think about it, I'm walking now on a round ball in the middle of space. Okay? Turning. This ball is turning in the middle of space. And I'm basically walking here in this time and space, experiencing this moment in time, which will be forever gone after even this video that I'm making. It will never come back again. There's another saying, you cannot walk in the same river twice. You see, you can't, because life is not repetitive. We have repetitive thoughts. Life is always new. Life is always fresh. Life is always, how can I say, beautiful. Look at that sunrise. It's a pity you can't see it so clear on this. And I'm telling you guys today, let us enjoy today. Let us enjoy this moment, because that's all we have. All we have is just this moment. Nothing more. Leave all your desires aside, because the desires are distracting. The desires keeps us always in the rat race, trying to be somewhere. It's a plane going there. I don't know, the catering is very bad of this today. So guys, we really have to appreciate the moments that's given to us. Because it really is a gift that will never repeat itself again. That's why we only have one life, one ticket. There's no return ticket on this. Once you're gone on this journey, you're gone. And don't get me wrong, I don't want to come back here. I think I had my fair share of this life. I don't want to repeat this. You know, it was fun, but please, I don't want to repeat this. I think I had my fill. I'm moving on. Um, yeah, but all I can say is while I'm here, I'm gonna make the best of what I can. You know, I'm not gonna get focused on the negativity of this world. We're now in a time. Those that listens to this, you know this. We're now in a time of war, and there's always been wars. It's not like it's only starting now. Man has been always been at war with himself. And the war that we see today outside there is not a war between man and man, it's between oneself. We have wars within ourselves, in the families, within ourselves. We're not having peace in ourselves. So we have to live a mindful life of having peace and put our attention where it matters. Not on the social media with all the negative news. Let us take a pause. Just sit back, relax, breathe. Stop rushing life. Stop trying to get somewhere. It tires us out. You know, it's just go. Life needs to slow down. We need to really assess the situation and see it for what it is, instead of just running around and like a mad person. You know, we have to really assess it, see it, and experience it. So I thought I'm gonna make this video, you know, because I'm changing the way I make videos now. You know, I'm just gonna put my thoughts on here, what I feel, and yes, people can judge. I don't care. The thing is, this is my little expression that's gonna be left behind when I'm gone. Okay? And there's a saying, I like the saying, a life worth documenting is a life worth living. Okay? Even if it's for fleeting moments, it's still something. You know, if my words can uplift someone for the day, then I think my purpose has done on this earth. I'm not here to change anyone. I'm not here to change someone. I'm not here to make big miracles. I'm only here to live my life and show my side of things, you know. Yeah, guys, so yeah, we're living in permanence, and we should appreciate one another, our families, while they're there. Yes, they work on our nerves sometimes. Yes, sometimes we can't bear them or whatever. But I'm telling you, if you love your family, if you love your mother, brothers, if you even have a little bit of love for them, don't ignore that. Use that love. Make it work. Give them that phone call. Don't hesitate. Don't, because this moment is gone forever. And one day you're going to sit back and say, why didn't I phone them? Why didn't I spend those moments with them when I had the chance? But you blew it because all you had was this moment, and you didn't take it because you were too selfish. You were too self-absorbed with yourself, thinking only about you and not about those around you. And that's a very selfish, cold life to live. We can't live life just for ourselves. We gotta live a life that's also bearing one another. Okay, today we live in a life where people say, put yourself first. You are the most important person in your life. Yes, you are. But you can't be cold just to keep that going. No. You have to share. Life is about suffering. Life is about sacrifice. Life is about showing up when you don't want to show up. Okay? Life is not easy. What I'm talking of is not fairy tale stuff. Here's this dog. I want you to see this dog. Oh my word, he's so cute. This dog is so cute. He's watching for me every morning, and then he's barking for me. He knows I'm coming. You can see him there. Wait a minute, so I'm going to show you when I get there. Ah, he's so cute, man. He just follows me. Not follows, but he watches me every morning when I come around. Ow! There he barks, you see. Wait, I want to show you. Wait, let me just show you there. Where is he now? Oh, there. Can you see there? There's his head. His head there. Alright. But I'm gonna go closer, but anyway, guys, I don't wanna just you know, it's just if you see him there, and then yeah, there's he. There's a doggy.